Alright, tonight I'm scrapping this. This is an AC adapter. This says Sharper Image wireless speaker, so it's got some weight to it. Pretty heavy for a AC adapter. Turn on my scale. A little over a pound. Usually these are just glued, but this one's got screws in it. I've never seen one with screws in it before. These are them weird looking flatheads. I went and made my own tool. I don't have any security bits, so I just made one. It was easy. I just cut a little notch in it with my cutoff wheel on a grinder. Can't find it? Grind it till you find it. Oh, I didn't take them out all the way. That's it. There we go. These usually slide out. Not this time. Should probably have some gloves on. Make sure you guys are protecting your hands and protect your eyes, or else you'll end up bleeding all over the place like I always do. Look at that, it came right out. You see I waited to cut the wire? Otherwise I'd be cutting it twice to get it off the board. So that's a copper bearing board, green on one side, brown on the other. There's nothing really too good looking on that. That's just copper bearing. Alright, so number 2 insulated. These little guys here are brass. Oh, and this little end here is also brass. This I'm going to try to pull it out. Just like that. We got that little piece of brass. And these I'm going to try rotating and try getting them out. Instead of cutting them, I rotated them. These are also brass. Now for the transformer. This side looks easier to pry, so I'm going to cut this side. And so I don't lose any copper, I found a pan. The pan will fit down there and catch any copper, so copper doesn't go falling down in the hole again. I believe that's it. And you rotate it. Get the vise tight enough. Oh, that's why I'm squooshing it. I'm going to squeeze it this way. It's structurally stronger this way. Look at that. Yummy, delicious, beautiful copper. Poor man's money. Look at that. Scrapper gold. That went pretty well. Didn't even really need this catch pan anyways. And we got just plain old steel here for the tin bucket. Not too bad. Now we're a little tiny bit under a pound. All we do is take the plastic out. So let's see what we have. We have about 1/10 of a pound of number 2 insulated. A little over 1/2 pound of tin. Let's see if the brass even registers. Not really. And neither does the copper bearing. Let's see how much copper we got. A little over 1/10 of a pound. This adds up. Before you know it, you got 300 pounds of it like I do. So remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.